Good morning, everybody. I am Amanda with Martin Yale Industries, here today with Samantha. Martin Yale is a U.S. owned and operated company since 1940. We are a leader in the manufacturing of quality paper handling products for your office. And today we are going to look at the 1217A paper folder. This machine is made right here in our factory in Wabash, Indiana. It is great to use in your mailroom, office, churches, schools, businesses, and associations. Operates at a speed of up to 10,300 sheets per hour. Automatically feeds, folds, and collects a stack of documents. The feed table will hold 250 sheets of 20-pound bond paper. There are 2 fold tables. They are adjustable to allow for customized folds. It's got large rubber rollers, folding rollers, to provide consistent paper folding. It also has a conveyor belt exit, and we'll show you that in more detail in a moment. It just to create more easy to handle stacks as it comes out. And this machine will handle stapled or unstapled sets of up to 5 sheets through a manual bypass. Handles paper weights from 16-pound bond up to 90-pound cover, and paper sizes from 4-inch by 4-inch up to 12-inch by 18-inch. This particular model we're looking at is a 115 volt for the US, but it is also available in 230 volt if you are outside of the US and need that other voltage. All right, so we're going to show you how this works real quick. First thing to do is going to be to fan your paper. Samantha's an expert at this, so she's going to show us. You just pinch on one side, fold it down and hold, and then we do it twice because that makes it prettier, I guess, but this just makes the paper feed correctly through the machine. You'll see the blue feed tire up here. Your top sheet just folds underneath that blue feed tire, and we just drop the paper down in the feed tray. It makes a nice, neat stack. You can kind of see we've got a line up here so you can see that the paper is fanned out. This machine is preset from the factory to do a letter fold on 8.5 by 11 paper. So that's the presets, but if you need to change that, there's a handy dandy fold chart down here, which has some letters on it. Gives you the paper sizes and the fold types. There's 7 common fold types. And then that just corresponds with some, let me get it in the camera view here. Your ruler's got letters on it to tell you where to set that. This is our first fold table on the top. And then there's a second fold table back here on the back. Samantha's got to pull it out here. This is just a smaller one because it does the second fold, so it's a little bit smaller. That just slides back in there, and that's your setup. And then you just turn it on. That's really all there is to it. And there's just a power switch in the front that turns it on. You've got a momentary switch on that side, and then you just push the forward switch. One at a time. Fold them nice and neat. And that also keeps them in order. There's a lot of people that have documents that they need to keep in a specific order for mailings, or I know there's people that have to keep it by zip code, and that way your material does not get out of order. It gets stacked nice and neat as it comes out, and then you can just grab them off there and you are done. Any questions? All right, well, that's all we have for today. If you'd like to join us tomorrow, we're going to look at the 1501X, which is another one of our paper folders, and that is at 1 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow. If you do have any questions or need to contact us, you can look at our website, martinyale.com. You can email us at info@martinyale.com or give us a call at 800-225-5644. Thank you.